In this video, I'll show you how to add a glow effect behind objects in DaVinci Resolve. Let's start by going to the Edit page. In the Effects panel, open the Toolbox and scroll down to Generators. From here, drag the solid color generator onto your timeline, placing it directly under the clip or title you want to glow. Next, select the solid color clip and open the inspector. Under the Color tab, click on the color box and choose the tone you want for your glow. Bright tones like white, yellow, or blue work great for this kind of effect. Now, move to the Settings tab in the inspector. Here, adjust the left, right, top, and bottom crop controls so the solid color slightly extends beyond the edges of your main object. This will create the base shape of your glow. Once that's done, right-click on the solid color clip and choose New Compound Clip. Confirm the default name and click Create. With the new compound clip selected, go back to the Effects panel. Search for Gaussian Blur, then drag it onto your compound clip. In the inspector, increase the blur strength until the color spreads out smoothly and forms a soft glow around your object. If you want a stronger effect, you can duplicate the compound clip and stack it to intensify the glow. And that's it! You now have a clean, customizable glow behind your object in DaVinci Resolve.